Hey, lots of stuff. Let's take a quick look at the market before I bring Brent Wilsey on to give us some wisdom. Factory data keeps the S&P 500 on track for a record close. S&P staring down the barrel of 1,980. Look at that, S&P 1976 right now. A little overbought. NASDAQ not overbought at all, though. NASDAQ at 4465. We're going to get it to some psychological levels here, but look at the Dow.
Wow.
The Dow up 154 points. We are almost at 17,000 on the Dow, and I don't know what that means to you. What that means to me is that maybe possibly a little topping pattern. I don't know. Brent Wilsey Asset Management, of course, in studio. Brent, you don't get excited about this stuff, do you? This is just another day on Wall Street for you, isn't it?
Another day on Wall Street with the Dow. And again, we'll probably break 17,000 today, tomorrow. It's going to have, it's kind of bumped up against us a few times, but it's going to bump past through there and go on beyond that.
Does it count if you hit it intraday and it doesn't close there?
You hit a new intraday high.
But that's it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Tease it.
So,
What doctor sucked out your emotions? I want to get that.
Yeah. Every money manager to their benefit.
All right, I'm going to tell you a secret here, guys. I have no emotion when it comes to investing.
Yeah.
But you talk about dating, women, love, kids. I'm all bumbly.
Because as good as I think I am,
You cry.
I get jacked up like everybody else. I mean, how do you do that?
You mean
because not only do you have your own money to worry about,
right?
You have all the other people's money to worry about. Now, do you use a money manager to handle your stuff, or do you do yourself?
I got to go the best. I got to go myself.
Oh, here we go.
Because there's two philosophies on that, by the way. There's a philosophy of I've got so much pressure anyway on everybody else's portfolio. That you don't want to worry about your own stuff.
I think that'd be terrible because, like, will you come invest your money with me, but I go to somebody else? That just doesn't make sense
just
to me.
to check to see if you're doing okay every so often. You know, like you sit yourself down quarterly with a mirror in front of you and go,
No, I just look at the companies and so forth. And I can tell my clients my money is invested the same way as your money. So I think that's very important.
Yeah.
The
you pull out of there, I want to be on your coattails.
Right.
Hey, Curtis Matovich, our assistant director here on the program. He handles all the what we call lower third graphics, all the fun stuff you see on the bottom of the screen. Pull up GM for us, Curtis. There's a interesting thing happening with General Motors.
I think the lower third for GM got recalled.
The entire lower third of their inventory, by the way. Talk to us about that. Sales went up. Stock went up, but how does that work?
Oh, well, I mean, their estimate was to lose 8.5% in sales. They actually came in beat by 1%. And I got to tell you some interesting
Wait a second.
facts
Hold on a minute. Do you remember the days when it didn't suck as bad as we thought it was going to, so the stock went up? That's exactly. Remember those days?
Right.
Oh, it didn't suck as bad as we thought.
We anticipated bigger suck,
And then,
But let's talk about GM. I mean, what they're doing. Over the last 6 months, they've recalled 28.9 million cars. Take a guess over the last 3 years how many cars they have sold.
About 30,000? I mean,
30
million?
How many cars?
28 million. So they've recalled
as many cars as they've sold.
in the last 3 years.
How does that work?
Yeah. And I think what's happening, they're calling cars back from 1999.
Wow.
And I talked about this theory that when you get a car recall, you got to go in the dealership. Well, if you go in the 1999 Oldsmobile, whatever it was, and you're getting 10 miles a gallon, you see this new car over here getting 35 miles a gallon, you figure out the math, these low interest rates, you can get a brand new car and spend less money on gas. I believe that is actually happening with these people coming in. So maybe it's a sales tactic General Motors is using.
Put it through the Brent Wilsey blender for us, if you would, please, of earnings. And is this a good value, GM? Is this because it is a little bit of a dichotomy here. Is the fact that their sales have gone up and their stock's gone up, but the
recycling program has just tripled.
Right. well, I tell you, I got very excited when we buying the stock around 32, 33. In full disclosure, we're holding a portfolio. We still like it around these levels. There's still, I think, a lot left in the company.
When will you take profits?
To be honest with you, my target sell price on it, based on 2015 earnings, is like 70.
Okay. Now,
good luck with that.
Now, do you take money?
I don't know.
Do you take money off the table at all on the way up?
No.
You're just buying, hold, and you hang.
Yep. And we're selling a company today that, unfortunately, we're only up like 10%.
Yeah.
But
Unfortunately, you're only up 10%.
Well,
that's a money manager I want to have. You know what? Damn it.
There you go. Take all mine now.
Here, just take it. Unfortunately, we only did 13% last year.
Right.
Wow.
But I mean, we bought it in November, so now we got a short-term capital gain. But again, it hit that target sell price. So the discipline says it hits that, you selling it out. Same thing with General Motors. I will not sell any of that company until it hits that target sell price, which can change. The
last Corvette is off the street.
Yeah, right. let's talk about worker productivity, because how much money you suppose we're losing today? Because of World Cup or this entire issue.
I got it to support our team here.
For World Cup.
Yes,
it says I voted
on it. Where did you get those?
Hey, I got to cut costs.
I like that. Put it right here over
How
here.
much lost worker productivity are we going to have?
It's amazing. $682 million is expected lost productivity.
For lost worker, where did they go?
Well, let me tell you.
They watched the game online.
Yes.
Oh, is that where they lost?
Exactly.
I thought they went to an island or something. Where the hell are we? Oh, good thing the game's on.
Well, in the Germany-U.S. Game, you had 20 million people watching it. Now, statistics, you got about 14 million of those people were workers. Now, what's going to happen? They average about $24.82 in hourly earnings. So that equates out to $682 million. Now, there's some interesting facts I also found here. Now, you know how the players, I'm hurt, and they lay on the grass, waste of time?
Yeah, great acting.
That costs the U.S. productivity $50 million.
Why?
Well, because that's wasted 10 minutes, and throughout the game, just watch these people hurt. So you got to watch those people get hurt.
Charlie horse. How did we? Aren't we already playing it? Did we win?
1 o'clock our time, 4 o'clock Eastern time.
Okay,
So no, we didn't. We didn't play that.
Fantastic.
And then
It'll be over by the time I'm on the air for the afternoon show.
My eyes will be red, white, and blue.
And I got to ask this important question as well. What do you think the loss will be to breakfast houses if Belgium wins? Do you think people will still order
Belgian waffles? Yeah, that's
Yes.
true.
Yeah.
No, but I guarantee they're going to be still drinking heavily either way.
I'm boycotting. Well, Mexicans aren't flying on KLM Airlines. I read that little tweet. Did you hear about that?
Yeah,
Which one is that?
Oh, okay. Is it KLM Airlines
right.
when they're wherever they're from, they beat Mexico and they say, adios, amigos. They put it on their Twitter or something like that. And so all the Mexicans went, oh, yeah? We're not taking your airplane anymore. Take that.
And they said it just like that. Thanks.
Like that.
Hey, speaking of other countries, are you going on vacation this year?
Yes, I'll go to Hawaii next week.
Is it a vacation or is it working?
It's a vacation.
Oh, you're on vacation?
Toes up. Well, I'm going to sing a little at the Hulu Grill. Yeah.
The Hulu Grill is basically like
It's
just
just
Sheldon's
a whole-
restaurant.
It really is. You just sit there. They don't know it yet.
And he's just going to sit in the booth and sing by himself, like he does at most of the bus stops. But
Well, mariachi bands do that. They walk up to the table and start singing. I'm just going to start doing that at Sheldon's or Denny's.
why am I bringing up vacations, Brent?
Yeah.
Because, as you say, summer vacations are a good economic indicator.
Yeah, people say, the economy is doing very well and so forth. Well, vacations are up 5% year over year.
Good.
And the amazing part is they were up 20%. We're going to have a record $100 billion spent on summer vacations this year. Now, good news, bad news. The good news is that we're $100 billion. Bad news is people are not staying here in the U.S. They're going to France, Italy, some weird vacations in South Africa with safaris and so forth.
Yeah, take a
but and I think the funniest one is, did you see the movie, Disney's movie Frozen?
I have not yet.
Okay. Well, that has caused a jump in vacations to Norway by 65% because of that movie. Yeah.
Really?
Bring me home some Borkum Riff.
No, Borkum Riff call.
What was that?
That was pipe tobacco.
Was it?
Yeah.
Borkum Riff.
But
Really? Is that you know in the background was "Legend Lives On" from the Chippewa.
Was it really?
Yeah,
What's it
Gordon Lightfoot was the. Wow.
I don't even know what you guys are talking about right
We're
now.
talking about there was a tobacco, I guess, from Norway, and they advertised in America, and it was Borkum Riff. It was the only Norwegian thing.
And they used the Native American to sing the Borkum Riff song.
So there's
Actually,
my
he was
only
from
Norwegian
Canada.
But I think it is so important to realize that vacations are up 20%, $100 billion spent, that people
we're
are
getting away
confident
from
in the
here,
economy.
right?
We're not worried about the market falling, the economy falling, because if you feel that way, you're not going to go on
I don't know
vacation.
if Norway's a good spot to go.
Yeah,
What they got there?
Yeah, that's
Norwegian
yeah.
cheese, chocolate, nothing. Norwegians, they're nice.
I can't believe you just brought up
Borkum
Borkum
Riff.
That's like bringing up
Are you
Tijuana.
Googling? That's funny.
I am.
I
want to see what year it was when because I'm pretty sure they sold Matus and Lancer's wine.
By the way, I'm
in the
wearing
same
English leather.
Yeah.
Anyway, so vacation good. Even here with high gas prices, San Diego is one of the top destinations for the 4th of July because it's such a bitchin' place.
Oh, yeah.
Most Californians are coming here. So there you go,
So,
Alameda.
And
Come on down.
And it does help. It stimulates the economy. And I mean, it's just a great thing to look at.
Do you smoke a pipe? And I'm going to turn you on to some radical tobacco. It's called Borkum Riff. Borkum. I don't
Thanks,
often
Brett.
smoke tobacco, but when I do, I smoke Borkum Riff.
Toss up the website for us there, please, so the audience can see
Borkum
that
Riff
part.
has a web.
No, WilseyAssetManagement.com. Thank you, Brent.
Do you think people learned something today or what?
They did up until he said Borkum Riff. Big Biz Show, BigBizShow.com.